Alright, we're getting 3 blinks. And that is pressure switch, TCO or pressure switch failed open. The combustion blower or this switch. So when it's trying to bring this thing on, it's not coming on for whatever reason. So this pressure switch tube runs up to this nipple, and these can actually get plugged over. So we're just going to take a piece of wire and stick it through there and make sure that port is clear. And it definitely was not clear, but Johan actually blew through it, and now it's clear. So it probably will light now if I put that on there. And we'll probably have hot water again. Yep, that right away. But we will run a little wire through there to make sure it's clear, and should be good to go. So the other possible things that could be the problem when you get that code is the actual pressure switch could be bad. It could be stuck in an open position. If the pressure switch was bad, you'd have to get a manometer and measure the pressure on this tube and make sure that you're getting a little bit in excess of whatever that is there. So you can see it's 0.27 inches of water column. And then if this combustion blower for some reason wasn't spinning fast enough or was bad, you would also get that same code. Or if the vent was like completely blocked off or had a bird nest in it or something, you could get that code. The other possibility is if it heated up too much, this little gray switch right here could be what tripped. If for some reason the high temperature cutoff tripped on your unit, you'll want to inspect the vent and make sure that the air is moving properly. Some of them are resettable and some of them are actually not resettable, so you'll have to look at your exact water heater to figure that out. But in this case, it was just a plugged nipple right there. So inspect your pressure switch tubing. If the pressure switch tubing has a crack or a hole in it, or is like excessively loose at one end where it's leaking some air, that can also cause it to do the same thing. But in this case, just plugged. So this water heater has a concentric vent, which just means there's an exhaust vent inside of the intake vent. So it's taking its combustion air in right here and bringing that down on the outside, and then it's sending the exhaust gas up on this inner pipe right here. And this would be a hard one to plug off. Running very nicely, so no concerns there.